Hi everyone! Guess what time it is? It's time to get those potatoes growing some eyes to get ready for planting in 2 to 3 weeks. That's what it is right now in my Texas Zone 8 garden. I'm 2 to 3 weeks away from my last frost date. So the best time to plant is always 2 to 3 weeks before your last frost date, so you just need to find out what that is for your area. Ours is around the end of March. So I plant my potatoes mid-March. Potatoes are actually a cool season veggie, but they do not tolerate freeze as well, so it's a tricky situation here in Texas. Now, if you do get a freeze after they have started growing above the soil level, the green tops, they will most likely die back, but they will grow right back. That's pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's get chitting. LOL. That's just another name to grow some eyes. I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest method, just like my great-grandmother did it. No special items needed. We bought 9 pounds of potatoes, but don't cut them apart yet to try to get more potato pieces to plant. That's not as smart yet. Wait until the eyes have grown. If you cut them too early, they will just dehydrate once they're cut apart, and then they'll just die, and they're no good for you at all. I'll make another video on that process when it's time. Okay, my great-grandmother, she picked a bright window area in her house and laid the potatoes on a table in a single layer and then just waited for 2 to 3 weeks until they were grown. That's it. That is all you have to do. No special props or powders or anything else. Just buy some organic potatoes. You can buy them either from your grocery store or you can go to your local feed store and buy seed potatoes. You can buy them online. You can do all kinds of stuff. But I do want to tell you, if you do have them in a dark area, they will still grow their eyes. The only thing that's going to happen is they're going to be a little bit longer and leggier. They're not going to be, I don't know, they don't look as pretty, but they really do still work. Okay, well, that's it. So I just picked an area in my house that's by 2 windows. They're going to get bright light all day long, and that's all we're going to do. So in 2 to 3 weeks, we'll come back and we'll show you how they look and show you the eyes. Here's how they look right now. You'll see there's no eyes on them yet. All right, so we'll see you back in 2 to 3 weeks. Have a good night. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.